Alright, well, welcome back. As you can see, we are back in Missouri, and I actually brought somebody else this time. He decided he wanted to work, so we brought him along. So on today's episode, we're gonna try to get the engine and transmission bolted in. We need to raise the engine up about 1/4 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch to clear the oil pan. Get that bolted in. That way we can measure our rear pinion angle, get that set, weld the new spring perches in. Then that way we can start on the drive line, get that measured up, make sure we can get our new 8.8 spline right. And then a few other little odds and ends, like if we can get to the brake booster and new master cylinder. We've got new brake lines, got a whole new wiring harness. So we'll see what we can get to, but that's where we're starting.
Sounds good to me. Let's get to it.
Yeah. So we landed in Missouri, and it is currently how cold, you say?
I don't even think I don't have Missouri in this.
You don't have Missouri on there. Let's see if I can pull it right up. And
what's Missouri look like? Oh, there we go.
St. Louis 10.
It's 10 degrees right now.
Oh my. Yours says 10, mine says 8. Whose idea was this?
I think it was yours.
Ah, oh, son of a bitch.
God, it came. Great.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing else stays the same.
It's fucking snow shit.
Brand new brake booster from Master Power Brakes. Come on. What?
Too close.
Thanks, man.
Using that exactly how it's supposed to be used. Perfect.
What have we gotten done so far?
Nothing. We got the spacers for the engine, so we got it kind of bolted in, kind of massaged the oil pan a little bit more. Got it with some clearance under it.
You can see it right there.
We've got our holes located for our transmission mount cross member. Currently painting it while that way we can slap it back up in there, bolt it into place.
What do we do up here?
Oh yeah, we did the master cylinder and brake booster upgrade, and then we've got new stainless steel lines we need to start kind of working on too. So I did get the fuel pump in.
Beautiful.
That's what I contributed.
Need to do those bolts under there for those.
Oh yeah.
Tighten those up at least, and then cross member crossed. Bolt that up, and then we can put it down and set the angle on the rear end.
Well, we've been talking about it forever, so we can finally get it done. We got a nice paint over here. All right, this will wrap up this episode for this week. We completed the brakes, the fuel, the engine mount, and we start working on the rear end, welding it in and doing the struts on the next episode. So stay tuned. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, follow. Also, if you got any suggestions, please comment below. So until then, we'll see you next time.